Sounds like a verbal description cover-up plan. It's just a regular Cessna. He's only at the fireman's backyard right now. I'm on the front step. He's like moved 40 feet and turned it down completely. It's a Doppler effect, Your Honor. And all this stuff with the helicopter, how they sit there and they watch my tapped phone and then decide how they're gonna make fabricated evidence. Isn't there something against that? Like, you can't sit there and watch the evidence and then adjust how it's made by sitting there watching a tapped phone and then go and fabricate evidence?